Hi guys, I welcome you back in the Unreal Engine tutorial. So this is the number 2 tutorial regarding the basic operation, basic movements. This is part 2. So hope you guys are enjoying. So this is the last part we were here actually. So when you are open firstly in the Unreal Engine, the third person template. As you can see here is written the third person template. You will find this small label or a small set for the for the human character to play something like this. So we are in the Unreal Engine, we call this character is mannequin. Okay, so as you can see, this is female mannequin, female character, third person character, third person. So it's like those who are in game industry, or who are actually. So what is third person? uh, there are several types of games we can find. Something like first person, something like third person, something like strategy. So this is the third person template, third person movement, that you can see the characters in front of the camera. So like if I just bring the character, like you can see here is several folders. There's this folder, I just create this one. So as you can see, the characters, the label prototyping, and starter content, okay, and third person. Okay, you go to the third person folder, and you go to the input or the blueprints. Okay, okay, something like BP, maybe this one, maybe drag. Yes, yes, as you can see here, this is the third person view, and this is the third person camera is attached right beside, behind the character mannequin, the female character. As we just drag and drop this to the viewport, like this one. This is a game asset, by the way. We just drag and drop like this one. As you can see here, we drag and drop the character, and the character is set, and behind, exactly behind, there is the camera. If we play, if we go to the play button, see what's happened. Maybe yes, yes, there is another mannequin. So like this one you just drag and drop, but this one is you are controlling. This one you are controlling. Okay, okay. Ah, so these boxes are behaving like kind of like a paper box or a cartoon. You see this behaving exactly. I'm applying the force, and it's going there. So you can do the jumping and all the things. So okay, let's again the maps. Okay, see what happens, what's inside the third person. Again, we have the blueprint, of course, and the controller, but input action. Okay, this is something like a operational stops are in there. And you can find here the characters, the mannequins, the rigged and texture, and okay, animated materials, the meshes. Okay, here you can find several characters. I mean this one, This one is a male character, like here. You see, this is a male mannequin character, as you can see here. This one is the male, and this one is female. Okay, you see, this one is male, this one is male, this one is female. So you have two types of, you know, kind of like a sci-fi characters, and obviously it's sci-fi. It's like you know, Iron Man. You can see the Unreal Engine logo on the chest of this mannequin body, human body. So as I play again, uh, you see, this is a male character, this is female character, and this one I am controlling. So yeah, I think you are enjoying already. Okay, so let's see what we find in the starter content. Let's say we have here the content. We have label, we have the label, prototyping, texture, meshes, materials. Okay, no, we have starter content. Okay, these are the starter content, like architecture. You can find this kind of assets. You can drag and drop, like, yes, this one, like this one. You see, this is the starter content, like this one, this platform. Okay, they are 3D assets, by the way. And then you can find some audio, also audio source, and you can play them, like, yes. Okay, this is like some sort of, okay. Yes, you can bring several types of audio. So audio in the assets, like audio in the audio, then the blueprints and HDRI. So this is the HDRI image, and also the maps. Okay, let's see what maps inside. Do not save. This one. As you can see, this is the map. One map in this part is the label. Okay, as you can see here, here is another label. We can see some table and chair, and also here, yes, as you can see here, this is a actually label, and these are all the materials, like in the starter content. All the materials and all the things are here, like you can have you know, kind of a fire going on, and you know, kind of a spark. And also these are the materials, and materials balls. You can have light wood, this is bright wood, and also this kind of, these are kind of woods, looking very realistic. You see some sort of rustiness in here, also very realistic. And also, you know, kind of a pavement. So this starter content is very good for, you know, kind of see the wall detail. It's looking very nice. You see, the starter content is also so much good. I mean, you can have some fire things, smoke coming out, and you can have this kind of wall effect, as you can see here. This Unreal Engine give you this type of you know, materials free. Okay, free to use, and this is the grass, and this is the concrete. So there are, you see, lot of materials and lot of assets are in here. As you can see, the starter content, all of the assets you can find here, like a props here. You can drag and drop one, let's say the chair. You can drag this chair, you can drag this chair, okay, like in the viewport, like Unity. You can drag and drop. And then shapes, okay, there are several types of shapes here. You can drag and drop like a pipe or something, you know. And then you have particle system. Yes, you can drag and drop here, like this is the smoke, this is the flare, and this is the fire, okay. This is the kind of a bursting effect. It's particle system, okay. And then you can have, here is all the materials, like we discussed, all the materials. See the gold materials. So we can change one materials as let's say this one. We just apply this one as this, and we can apply the gold. See how it's looking. It's looking very nice. See, just drag and drop the things. And the water, ocean water, lake water, so nice, okay. You see some sort of waveness is going on, some sort of, you know, it's water, so it's always wavy. Some sort of wave is going on. You can see here is ocean water, here is the lake water. So you have everything, by the way, from the to a start, to make a start. You have everything from gold to rock to, you know, to pavement, and you know, all the starter contents you have. And you see the balls are coming right here. So like if we play the button. Ah, we are falling. We are falling, okay. We are actually falling because there is a gap. So we have a weight. So something like this. I think you are enjoying this one. So like yes, okay. We can always come back to the maps. Start maps. Do not save. Okay. Oh, okay, this one, and this one. Yeah, okay. So as you can see, Unreal Engine is already giving you this kind of option, uh, this kind of assets to you know, to have a practice, something like a Unity as well. And also you have this sort of lights also to use it in your game. So yeah, it's quite good, okay. So this is the starter content. And also you have this option, this option to make a fresh one. So to do that, you have to click on file and the new level. Go for the world map of empty and basic. So if you click on basic, see what happens. Don't save. You see, Unreal Engine is giving you a fresh platform with the light setup, and you know, sky and all the setups are here to make a fresh start. It's like to make a fresh beginning. Okay, so this is for now, guys. I will be come again in the next tutorial. Thank you for watching and keep supporting me. Keep subscribe the channel and keep support me. If you have any questions, then please inform me. Thank you very much.